Welcome to our informative video on the fascinating fruit known as the pomegranate. In this video, we will take you on a journey through its rich history, exploring its origins and cultural significance. Furthermore, we will delve into the numerous health benefits associated with consuming this remarkable fruit. So sit back, relax, and join us as we unravel the mysteries of the pomegranate. The pomegranate's story begins in ancient Mesopotamia, present-day Iraq and Iran, where it was cultivated as early as 4000 BCE. This region is often referred to as the cradle of civilization, and the pomegranate played a prominent role in their mythology and art. From Mesopotamia, the cultivation of pomegranates spread to the Mediterranean region, including Egypt, Greece, and Rome. The Greeks considered the pomegranate a symbol of fertility and believed it held medicinal properties. In Greek mythology, it was associated with the goddess Persephone and the underworld. Throughout history, the pomegranate has held symbolic meaning in various cultures. It has been associated with abundance, prosperity, and fertility. Its distinctive shape and vibrant red color often represent life, vitality, and rebirth. Antioxidant powerhouse. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, which help protect the body against free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells. The fruit's rich antioxidant content is attributed to its high levels of polyphenol, including punicalagins and anthocyanins. Vitamins and minerals. Pomegranates are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes collagen production. Additionally, pomegranates provide vitamin K, which supports bone health, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Fiber-rich fruit. Pomegranates are an excellent source of dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and aiding in weight management. The seeds of the pomegranate, called arils, are particularly high in fiber, while also offering a satisfying crunch and burst of flavor. Heart health. Research suggests that pomegranates may have a positive impact on heart health. The antioxidants in pomegranates help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to cardiovascular diseases. Pomegranate juice has been shown to improve blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Anti-cancer properties. Several studies have explored the potential anti-cancer effects of pomegranates. The fruit's antioxidants have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and prostate cancer. Pomegranate extracts may also help reduce the risk of colon and lung cancer. Anti-inflammatory effects. Pomegranates possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammation. Compounds found in pomegranates have been linked to reducing inflammation associated with arthritis, joint pain, and other inflammatory conditions. Skin health. The antioxidants in pomegranates play a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. They help combat free radicals, slow down the aging process, and promote collagen production, resulting in smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Pomegranate extracts are commonly used in skincare products. The pomegranate's rich history and remarkable health benefits make it a truly remarkable fruit. From its ancient origins to its versatile culinary uses, the pomegranate continues to captivate and nourish both the body and soul. So, next time you encounter this ruby red treasure, savor its flavors and embrace its countless health benefits. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.